can see here, today I'm using a medium weight yarn, which is 5 ounces or 141 grams for 285 yards or 260 meters. The recommended knitting needles are 5.5 millimeters and the crochet hook is also 5.5 millimeters. It's 100% acrylic yarn and the color was berry, pink blend. And for a chain of 100, this gave me 25 inches for a moss stitch pattern. And 2 skeins so far, they produced 31 inches of a length of that panel. So let's get started with the moss stitch. For the foundation chain, I'll be using a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, and then for the rest of the project, I'll be using 5.5 crochet hook. So this helps the bottom of the project not to curve. So start with a slip knot and then just chain a multiple of 2 stitches, just enough to make the length you would like to have. So for baby blankets, you can check the chart that I'll leave over here or in the description box. I'll have a chart of different sizes, or if you make a scarf or a cardigan, you can also check that sizing as well. And for the sake of the tutorial, I'll stop here. Then I'll switch to my crochet hook that I'll be using for the rest of the project. So into the third chain from the hook, I'll do a single crochet and then chain 1 and skip 1 stitch and then a single crochet into the next one. That first chain is always a little bit tricky. So chain 1, make sure you skip 1 stitch. Don't go into the same you just did, and do a single crochet. And then chain 1, skip a stitch, a single crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch or a chain, single crochet 1, and go like this till the end of the row. You will be ending with a single crochet. Once we are done with the foundation chain and then foundation row, now we'll be switching to the rest of the rows, and each row from now on we'll start with chain 2 and then going into that first chain space here, we'll do a single crochet, chain 1, skip that single crochet from the previous row, and into the chain space do a single crochet, chain 1, into the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1, into the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1, and then we'll go like this till the end of the row. So here I have one more space. These are the beginning chains we did. So we'll just make sure we chain 1 between the stitches, and then we'll go into that space. Don't forget to go there, and we'll do a single crochet right before that chain 2 we did at the beginning of the row. And now chain 2 and you're ready for the next row. Flip your work and make sure you go into that first chain space. Otherwise your panel will get smaller at the edges. Okay, and that's how we're gonna repeat that row the length we want our project to be. And make sure you watch the next blanket that's coming up. It has a very interesting stitch as well. Happy crocheting, and I'll catch you in the next one.